So when I made the sewing kits, there are four of them. I made them similar to be open-ended projects that you want to do with the clients or with your children. They are robust. They have all the things that you would need to do sewing projects. They have a sewing machine. They have an ironing board for the tabletop. They have nice scissors for cutting fabric. They have a whole sewing kit with needles, thread, pins, all those kind of things are all in there. You would just have to figure out what type of project you were going to do and figure out what other materials that are consumable that you might need to do with the sewing kit. But you really have a full kit, four of them that can go out to clients. You can go do remote supports, whatever you're going to do with them, that are remote sewing kits that you can do a lot of different projects with. I think back to the years that I did home ec in middle school, and some of the projects we did were some easy things like the drawstring bag, making the patchwork pillow, or making the duffel bag. So there are lots of great things. You can just do simple making a doll that they can stuff with stuffing. For the pet care class, you can kind of join those two up, making pet toys, or you could kind of do different dolls or crafts that they can do for the holidays for gifts that are low income and they don't have to worry about spending a lot of money to make these wonderful hand designed gifts. They could do pot holders that can go with the cooking class as a whole idea. So there's so many things I can think of that are activities that you could do. You just look for some other videos where I'll go over some more in-depth sewing projects. But right now, that's a great way to just get started figuring out some simple things that you might want to create using those robust sewing kits.